Hi everyone, the Spider-Man back again. Well, fourth video for today. I have a molt in the collection. I was just checking this bunch of tarantulas here, and in these tubs here, which one has molted? Which one I'm going to go to? Theraphosa Stirmi. That one's molted. You can just make out the molt just there. So yeah, let's take this tub off the shelf and let you have a look. So everyone, I've took the this particular enclosure off the shelf. So let's just take the lid off. This particular tarantula is around about the 2.5–3 inch mark. So I'm hoping it's a bit bigger. So there's the molt just there, and there's a little bit of the carapace as well. So let's just take that out. Let's just take this out as well. The enclosure needs to be sprayed and the water dish needs filling up. So let's just check, see if the tarantula's okay. And there he is just there. He is definitely a male, unfortunately, but yeah, he's probably around about the 3.5 inch mark now. The molt is fairly crispy, so it's dried up a little bit, so might have molted a few days ago and I haven't just noticed. So let's just give him a little touch, let him get him to come out. And there he is just there, looking absolutely beautiful. I've had a few males in the past. A very long time ago I had one called Tiny, Theraphosa Stirmi. He was huge. He was about 8–9 inches, and he wasn't even mature. So I sold him for breeding, and hopefully he did the business many moons ago. You can see like a little green kind of tinge to it actually, but yeah, looking absolutely beautiful. You can see the pink hairs on the abdomen as well, but yeah, all the legs are all there. Pedipalps at the front are there as well, so it looks perfectly fine. So what I'll do is now I'll get my spray bottle, give it a good mist, and let's fill up the water dish. So everyone, I've got my spray bottle, so let's give this a good mist. And let's just fill up the water dish as well. Watch you don't scare the tarantula. That's nice and wet for it. So the tarantula's just there, perfectly fine. Left that a little bit dry because you don't really want to get no water on the actual tea itself. So yeah, plenty of videos done for you today, and I really appreciate people watching my videos. As you know, I've been doing them for a very long time now, just over 6 years, and I enjoy every single video that I do. And yeah, freshly molted Theraphosa Stirmi, the Burgundy Goliath bird eater. And thanks for watching everyone.